Just want my air management to work. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. You all know from the last video, my air management is kind of shitting on me a little bit. Huge thank you to all of you guys who watched it, by the way. It really means a lot to me. Long story short, I fixed everything with the seller. He gave me his information. I was able to use it to pretty much go ahead and take advantage of his lifetime warranty. So what's gonna happen is Airlift and we already worked things out, filed a claim. They're sending one out next week. I know it's gonna take a while. I already put down a $250 deposit so that they send it to me first and then I send mine back instead of me sending it first, waiting for them to approve it and then send out the new one. I put down the deposit today. They're not gonna ship it until next week due to the fact that they were understaffed for like a month and a half and the shipping department is super backed up. We're gonna get the new manifold, boys. Yes. Huge shout out to all you guys. You know who you are. You guys hit up the seller and you're able to get him out of hibernation from having his account deactivated to help me get a new manifold. So before I start today's video, I got some products from a company and they're pretty sick. The company is called, I believe, Audew. They sent me a portable air compressor pump. Now that I have airbags, I technically could just hook up a pump to my compressors and pump my tires from there, but this is really cool to have. Why not? I know a lot of you guys don't have bags, so this could be the next alternative. They also sent me over a car diagnostic scanner, so basically like an OBD, and you guys know that as car guys, we should always have an OBD scanner with us on hand at all times. I personally don't. I don't know why, but I don't. But now I have the solution. So basically, this is like an OBD. You put it into the OBD port, and you get to go ahead and download the app on your mobile phone and check out your car's diagnostics from there. It is so cool. I'll definitely show you guys right now, but first we're gonna go ahead and open the portable compressor pump. It even comes in a nice little bag right here, so you can always carry it everywhere. Oh yeah, this is so sick. Huge shout out to Audew for sending me these. There's also a free 12-month extended warranty. Super simple. There's a compartment that opens up right here, and you get to plug it into your cigarette lighter in your car. Very, very convenient. So let's go ahead and plug this in real quick. I also mounted my controller right here, and it's being held up by a phone magnet, an Eliminate phone magnet, so huge shout out to Eliminate. I think it's way better having it right there because you don't want to look down and check on your PSI over here. I see it as like another gauge. All right, so we're setting my desired PSI to, let's do 45, because I always do 45. That's pretty much how it works. That's pretty damn awesome. Super simple to use and can definitely help you out in the nick of time if you need it. Next up, let's try out this car diagnostics scanner. Oh yeah, let's get it. It's really simple. You can use this to scan the app. I didn't even know that. All you do is go to your camera app on your phone and it will send you right to the app to download it. Plug it in right there and I'll show you right now on the app. So as you guys can see, I've already connected to Bluetooth, and now I'm going to check out the smog. Everything seems to be fine. A few things haven't scanned yet. Now we're going to be clearing trouble codes, but I don't need to, so we're gonna go ahead and cancel that. Next up, the O2 sensor. There is no results to be found. And now we are going to check the voltage on my battery, and everything seems to be perfect. That's pretty much it, guys. These products are good for any car enthusiast and will definitely come in handy. Huge shout out to Audew for sponsoring this video and sending me these products to try. And they also sent me one to give to one of you guys. So if any of you guys want to win one of these, I am gonna be hosting a giveaway. I will be announcing the winner exactly 1 week from now. All you have to do is just comment on this video. How easy is that? You don't even need to be subscribed to me, although it would be pretty damn cool if you guys were subscribed to me. But anyways, I'll pick the winner in about a week and you get to win a brand new portable air compressor pump. And if you don't win and you guys still want to buy this product, check out their website. Link will be in the description below. Feel free to use my promo code as well, which will also be in the description below. I'm sure, as you can tell, by the title of this video, I am surprising one of my best friends with their dream car part. So for those of you who don't know, one of my best friends is Josh. He's been in the vlogs many times. He has the E92 335 IS and the E30. And the reason why I'm surprising Josh with this car part specifically is because he's always wanted it ever since he got the car. And I've been trying to steer him clear of getting this part for so long. It's been like 3 weeks. I've been working with his girlfriend and we've been talking, trying to plan this out. And he always just sends me parts that are in his shopping cart and I get so nervous that he's gonna buy it because he fucking will. So I've been trying to like steer him clear from this part and go more performance and like get this or that. And it's hard because this part isn't super expensive, but it's not super cheap either. The reason why I wanted to surprise Josh is because he's been there with me from the start. We had a little bit of a falling out because, you know, everyone always has their own separate paths, but he's the one who introduced me to all aspects. And even before he introduced me to all aspects, he used to film me skating and he always believed in me. He always thought that with my personality and my skill set, I could achieve anything. Honestly, I've never met anyone who's supported me that much. People eventually give up on me, you know, we don't talk here and there, but Josh has always had like the utmost respect for me. And the cool thing with him is what you see is what you get. He's super blunt, he could be a little obnoxious, but I always have seen the good in him because I know that I annoy the hell out of the guy and he still puts up with me. So thank you so much, Josh. Regardless of you helping me install my bags with all the homies, I still have this plan and I really want to get this for you. So if you're watching, just know that I love you and thank you for always believing in me. He's the one who actually pushed me to do YouTube. He was like, dude, just go for it. You have nothing to lose. So thank you, Josh. You guys ready to see the part that I got him? It's pretty sick. Here it is. Carbon Creations carbon fiber front lip for his E92 335 IS M Sport front bumper. That's a fucking mouthful. So this is full carbon fiber. The coolest thing with this is I've never seen a carbon fiber front lip have carbon fiber at the bottom where you're freaking gonna scrape it. Isn't that so weird? Like, he's gonna scrape the hell out of this. Why does it need to be carbon fiber? When I first opened it up, I was like, wait a second, is this a fucking duckbill? But it's actually the lip because it's pretty much molded to the shape of his bumper, so it's definitely not a trunk spoiler. I think this will look really great on his car. He's been wanting this for so long. And I thought, why not just blow a YouTube check on him? It's not that big of a deal. This thing was about close to $400. You know me, I'm super transparent with all of you guys. I have nothing to hide. I just started making about 400, a little over 400 every single month from YouTube if I'm consistent with like 3 or 4 videos a month. Thank you to you guys for supporting me because I wouldn't be making that much extra money to my pocket without all of you guys commenting, liking, and doing your thing, watching my videos. So why not give back to Josh? He's been such a great friend to me and now it's time for me to be an even better friend to him. I'm gonna be trying to install this onto his car without him knowing. His girlfriend Gina's gonna be helping me out. She's gonna like take them out to go eat, give me like an hour or 2 to get everything ready and installed and then get his reaction. Dude, I'm so excited. You know you care about your friends so much when they get a part and you're excited to install it. It's like your car, you know? Like you're installing it onto your car, but it's actually their car. That's when you know you're good homies. First thing I'm gonna do is put some 3M tape, which I actually got from AutoZone. Shout out to AutoZone. We got some super strength 3M. Don't worry guys, that's not the only thing we're gonna hold it up with. I'm gonna use some self-tappers and screw it into his bumper. I don't trust self-tappers alone. I just wanna have it on good enough to where it looks like it's permanently on and get his reaction. Let's go ahead and tape this up. Put 3M tape all around. I'm for sure gonna do self-tap here, like maybe 4 in the middle, another one there. And we're gonna put some actual bolts later on after I surprise Josh. So technically I shouldn't be driving my car. And Josh would definitely hate me because he told me not to drive the car specifically since the manifold is messed up. But this is for you, Josh, so I hope you still love me. I just made it to Josh's. Thankfully, his girlfriend left the key to his E92 somewhere over here. Oh boy, we gotta fix that for you, Josh. She left the key on the tire somewhere. We got it, boys. We got it. Good thing that I'm doing this for you because, boy, you need new tires, man. I got Josh's car back to my house safe and sound. That wasn't a part of the plan. I was gonna install it in front of his house, but Gino was so kind enough to get me the key, and fuck it, I'd rather just do it at the comfort of my own home. That is gonna look so sick. And he's getting new wheels, so let's go ahead and jack her up. Alright guys, after 45 minutes of work, we finally finished. I didn't do that great of a job because I am running on a time limit. They're about to be back at the house real soon, so I need to make sure it's there. What do you guys think? There's like some gaps here. You can see the 3M. It can be pushed up a little more, but like I said, we have to go back. And we have to hit it with some bolts and nuts because we do want it to be really tight. We're gonna do that at the warehouse. So this is just for show right now. But what do you guys think? Definitely looks a lot better. He loves carbon fiber too, so this will be sick. A little lower to the ground. Let's go ahead and get this back to his house, park it in reverse, and wait for his reaction. When I get to borrow Josh's car, we gotta at least have some fun. That shit is addicting. Holy shit. I am not abusing his boost. Come on guys, I got him a front lip. I get to at least enjoy his car for a couple pulls. Shit.
What the fuck?
You like it?
What the fuck are you doing? I'm so confused what the fuck just happened. Hey, I was like, why is my car reversed? Wait, what the fuck just happened?
I don't know.
Like, what the fuck are you doing? Dude, I swear I thought I saw your car over there. What's going on, dude? You planned this shit, didn't you?
Yeah, planned it for like 2 weeks.
Oh
She
my
helped
god.
me with it. What do you think?
Bro, when the hell did... Is that why you went to King Taco?
It was so difficult trying to get you not to buy it for the last 3 weeks.
Really? I was like, wait, why is my car reversed? I don't remember ever parking it that way. What the fuck?
What do you think though? Does it look good?
It looks sick as fuck. I was like, wait, I did not buy this. I was like, wait, what the fuck is going on? I was so confused. Oh my fucking god, thank you.
I don't know why you're hugging her. I bought it.
Oh, you bought it?
She just helped me plan it out.
What the fuck? Why?
Why not?
Why did you do that?
It's because I love you.
I thought she bought it. I was like, what the
Oh,
fuck?
I bought it.
No, dude, you didn't have to. What the fuck? I was literally gonna buy one, dude.
No, you helped me with everything. I thought I'd blow a YouTube check on you. It's not a big deal.
Nah, dude, you didn't have to. What the fuck, dude? I was so confused. What the fuck was going on, dude?
I've never seen this reaction
You
from him
just
ever.
told me, oh, if only I had the lift, and I was dying inside. I was like,
Oh yeah, she told me
just
last
waiting
night, and I was like,
tomorrow.
yes, we're gonna do it tomorrow.
So you guys took my car too. Wait.
Well, okay, the original plan was for me to jack it up and do it here, but it was hot as fuck, and then Gino was able to give me the keys. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna take it back
Is
home.
that why you took my keys? You didn't even check the mail, huh? What the fuck?
Good job, Gino. We killed it. Did not
you so
expect it. Did not expect it.
Dude, I had no fucking idea, dude.
Look at that. That looks sick.
God damn it, dude. Now you're gonna make me want to bag it. What the fuck?
You should.
Alright, well, you want some King Taco?
Yeah, she got me some.
Oh, is that why you asked for 5? Oh my god. Dude, oh my fucking, give me a fucking hug,
Yeah,
little
of course.
fucker, dude.
I'm so happy he likes it, guys. He's like so happy, but he doesn't know what to
Why
say.
did you have to do it when I lost my fucking shit?
Oh yeah, guys, he was driving too fast, and he didn't want to show any of you guys, but his emblem flew off.
It's coming tomorrow, dude. A better one. I bought a $50 one, dude. It's fucking...
Just like I told him. You get what you pay for. We did it!
Oh my god, I fucking love it, dude.
Of course.
I did not expect this in like ever.
Come on, man, you do so much for everyone else. It's your turn to get something.
I
Thank you
mean,
again.
I don't do that much.
You do a lot more than you think, so.
I just do it because you're my homie.
That went really well, guys. I am so stoked on his reaction. I can't believe he was just that surprised. I mean, it did catch him off guard. He didn't park his car backed in, so he was a little freaked out, but made great content nonetheless. I just want to let you know, Josh, that you totally deserve it and more. You've done so much for me, and thank you so much for everything you do. I know that it's not that much, but hey man, take what you can get. It's a thought that counts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for making it all the way to the end. There was one issue that I really did want to address, and it's pretty much about everything that's going on right now. The world is a little hectic. Remember back in 2012 when we all thought the world was supposed to end? I feel like that's how it is now in 2020. Honestly, it's freaking crazy. It's like watching a real life purge. As crazy as that sounds, it just sucks because, you know, we're all traumatized over George Floyd and his death and what happened. I know everyone is probably gonna say like, oh, it's not just black lives that matter, it's all lives. First, you have to realize that all lives can't matter until black lives matter. We have to be the change that we want. I just wanted to use my platform and let you guys be more aware, because a lot of people aren't really using their voices and supporting, so it does kind of suck. I don't want to end the video on this note, but people need to realize it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We're at 15K now. Thank you so much, and oh my god, more content to come. Manifold is going to be coming at the end of next week, so I'll install that and give you guys my full experience on Air Ride and what I think. Pretty much going to end the video here and say, we fucking got you, Josh. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click that subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, it's better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.